how to field strip and clean our everyday carry Canik. First step is to eject the mag, rack the slide back, and visually and manually inspect the chamber to ensure the firearm is clear. After making sure the gun is clear, we're going to point the firearm in a safe direction and pull the trigger. Next, we're going to depress both of these takedown levers on either side of the gun, pulling them down, allowing the slide to move forward towards the muzzle and up and off the frame. Our frame is now fully field stripped, so we'll go ahead and set that aside and bring our attention back to the slide. We're going to flip this guy upside down and remove the recoil spring assembly by pushing this plunger forward and angling it up so it pops up and out of the slide. Next, we're going to remove our barrel by pushing it down, sliding it up towards the muzzle of the gun, and then lifting it up out of the slide. At this point, our Canik is field stripped and ready to be cleaned. To clean this pistol up today, we're going to be using this cleaning kit from ProShot. This one just has absolutely everything we need to clean this gun, so we'll go ahead and get started with their one-step CLP. Going to put some of this in the slide, in and on the barrel, on the recoil spring assembly, and in the frame. And I'll usually do a drop or two in the mag, just to keep it running smooth. We're going to grab this cleaning brush from the kit and give everything a good scrub down. Next, we're going to grab our barrel and our wire brush and pass this through the barrel a couple of times. We'll go ahead and grab one of these cleaning patches and run this through the barrel a couple of times till the patch comes out clean. Now at this point, you could go ahead and add some extra lubricant to the firearm, but the one-step CLP from ProShot has some lubrication already built in, so we're going to go ahead and reassemble the Canik. We'll go ahead and reassemble the slide by dropping the barrel inside in this orientation and sliding it forward towards the muzzle of the gun. From here, we're going to bring this barrel back till it seats in the slide, and to hold it in place, we'll grab our recoil spring assembly and set this inside the slide in this orientation by setting this plunger in this section of the slide and depressing forward so this piece sits and seats on the barrel. Next, we'll grab our frame and set the slide on top, making sure that the slide comes down on the frame in between the extractor and this tab on the frame. It pops on just like this, and from this point, all we have to do is pull back on the slide and our Canik is fully assembled. To function check, we're going to point the firearm in a safe direction, pull that trigger, trigger breaks, we'll check the reset, trigger resets, and trigger breaks again. We'll go ahead and reinsert the mag, and that is everything we need to do to field strip, clean, and lubricate our everyday carry Canik.